how to convert your Lovable AI app into an IPA file. First, you need to open up Lovable, then click on All Projects and just select the app which we want to convert. Then click on Publish in the top right corner, and after your app has published, then you will click here to copy the link to your app. Now go to median.co. This website is going to turn your Lovable app into a native app. So here you just want to paste the website and click on Build Your App. Once you click on Build Your App, you can set a name for it and select Start Building My App. Now, right here, if you click on Simulator, it is going to show you the progress. So currently it's going to be building for iOS. That is what we need, IPA file. And right here, once this is complete, then we can click on Build and Download, and you will see iOS IPA file. Now, in order to get your IPA file, you will click on Configure Signing. From here, you will see App Store Connect API. So you will need to connect your Median organization to your Apple developer account via API. So basically this website we're using, we need to connect to Apple developer. So click on Manage Connections, and here you will have to paste your issuer ID and the key ID. Once you have it connected, then what we need to do is basically just click on Build. I'm going to show you for the source code here. So once you click on Build, after you have connected your median.co account to Apple developer, then once you click on Build next to IPA, it is just gonna let you download the file directly here. So it's gonna look like this, and you will just click on Download, and that is going to download your IPA file. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.